Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing great today. If today is your first time coming across my channel, hi, you're welcome. Welcome to my channel. And for my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate all your love and support. So guys, I bring to you another great recipe guys. Today we are making Prekese tea. This tea is packed with a lots of benefits, which I'll be explaining to you in this video. So if you'll be interested to know how I make this tea, sit back, relax. Let me introduce my ingredients. So these are the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. This is our Prekese. I know the spice as uyayak. The Ghana people call it Prekese. It has a lot of name. You can research about it. We'll be using some pineapple, some lemon, ginger, and cloves. So we need to wash our ingredients thoroughly, but I will do that off camera. So this is our pineapple, okay? I decided to go for the one that is very ripe so that I want this drink to be a little bit sweet, okay? Because I won't be adding honey while taking the tea. So I'll be sharing with you guys some benefits of pineapple. Pineapple prevents hypertension. It reduces the risk of blood clots. It contains antioxidants, reduce symptoms of arthritis, it strengthens the bones, it prevents cancer, it improves immunity, and it's good for eyes. So guys, this pineapple, because we are using the peel, okay? So make sure to wash our pineapple very well, like wash it very well. So this pineapple, I washed the back before cutting it. I washed it with white vinegar, though I didn't show the process, but I used white vinegar to wash it very well. All right guys. Yeah, our second ingredient, cloves. Like guys, I have a lot of videos where I talked about the benefits of cloves. Cloves is packed with a lot of benefits. Cloves fights inflammation. It enhances oral health. Prevent cancer, stimulate blood circulations, promote digestion, control diabetes, and boost the immune system. So we are using cloves for this recipe. And our third spice ingredients here is Prekese, which is also known as uyayak. So this spice is packed with lots of benefits. Prekese is a source of copper of develops connective tissues, potassium to balance fluid levels within the body, vitamin C to strengthen the immune system, and magnesium to control optimal nerve functioning. Prekese are also thought to reduce hypertension and are given to new mothers to prevent postpartum contractions and promote milk production. Like guys, this spice is loaded. Okay, so if you don't know about this spice, you can also research on it. You will know more about the spice. Okay, all right. So our fourth ingredients that we'll be using for this tea is the almighty ginger. Yes, I call it the almighty ginger because it's packed with lots of benefits. One, it releases nausea and upset stomach, reduces pain and stress, improves immunity. It may help with weight loss, okay? May lower blood sugar levels, may treat chronic indigestion, may reduce menstrual cramps. Like ginger has lots and lots of benefits, okay? Yes guys, I'm just trying to explain few benefits of these ingredients that I'm using because I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, please kindly give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. And here we have our fresh lemon. If you have lime, you can use lime. You can also mix both. So we are using 2 limes. Limes is packed with lots of benefits. It protects against anemia, prevents kidney stones, helps control weight. Lemons are often promoted as a weight loss food, and there are a few theories as to why this is. And it also supports heart health. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C. Yes, guys, lemon is good for you. If you don't know this now. Lemon is packed with lots of benefits, okay? There are so many people, any meal they are preparing today, they would definitely add lemon to it. Because why? Lemon is packed with lots of benefits. So these are all of our ingredients. I've washed them thoroughly. Like guys, make sure to take your time to wash all your ingredients, okay? I washed the Prekese, I washed the ginger before peeling it. Like the pineapple, I did justice to it. I wash it very well. Sorry guys, I didn't take you guys through all that, but just make sure to wash all of your ingredients very well, okay? As you can see, I added some flesh of the pineapple to it. Can you see how ripe the pineapple looks? Yeah. If you want, you can go for the unripe ones, the ones that are not too ripe, but I prefer to use the overripe pineapple, okay? I added some flesh from the pineapple. These are uyayak. Like guys, I washed this. I washed it very well before breaking it. Then our ginger, I also washed it and I just use my grater to grate it. And these are cinnamon, cloves. Like I also did justice to that. These are lemon. I also wash it very well before I cut it because we are using everything. So these are pots. I'm going to introduce all the ingredients, add them inside the pot. Already I'm boiling some hot water, okay? Because I don't want to add cold water to the ingredients. I prefer to use hot water so that immediately it will activate all the flavors, okay? So this is our hot water boiling already. I'm going to pour in the hot water into the pot in which we have all our ingredients. Then after doing that, I'll place the pot on the stove. Okay guys, you can cook this tea for 30 minutes or 25 to 30 minutes. But whenever I'm making like herbs drink like this, any tea like this, I don't like to overcook mine, okay? What I normally do, I just cook it for like 10 to 15 minutes, then I will turn off the heat. After turning off the heat, then I will allow it to sit for 6 hours, which I did with this one. But guys, I'm very sorry. After 6 hours, I was not able to show you guys how it was looking by then, because all the ingredients need to infuse very well. So I needed all the ingredients to be well infused because I don't want anything to go waste, okay? Then after 6 hours, I'm going to sieve out the juice. Then we'll sieve out the juice. We'll store the juice in a airtight container. You can store it in the fridge. Then every morning you take a glass. So this is our tea. Can you see this, guys? You take a glass morning and night, okay? So guys, I will share 5 benefits of this tea. You can use it to treat gastrointestinal diseases. It controls diabetes. It's good for postpartum care. It supports the immune system, and it also promotes weight loss. So guys, I hope you've learned 1 or 2 things from this video. If you do, kindly give me a thumbs up, leave me a nice comment, subscribe. Shout to see you guys in my next one. Bye.